Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get set up within our server, how to create a character, and I'm going to show you guys how to get set up within the CAD. So when you guys first log into the server, you're going to pop up onto this screen. This is our framework dashboard. So what you're going to want to do is when you first get in server here is you're going to want to hit the create new character button so you can get spawned in game. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in a name, whatever you like. Type in a name, last name, date of birth, gender, pick your department, and your Twitter handle. So I'm going to do that. And in this case, I'm just going to do Jimmy Smith. Do a birthday here. I'm going to select male, civilian operations. And if you have other Discord roles within the Discord, you will have other departments that pop up here. This is my alt account, so I only have civilian operations. Then I'm gonna set my Twitter handle. I'm just gonna do Jimmy S. I'm gonna hit create new character, and you're gonna see it pop up here on the left side of the screen. Play as Jimmy Smith. When that pops up, you're just gonna want to hit play as, and then you're gonna select where you want to spawn. Keep in mind the AOP is right here. It's always Sandy Shores by default upon server restart. So whatever the AOP is, just make sure you spawn there. So we're just going to do Sandy Shores just because the AOP is Sandy Shores by default. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get you registered in the CAD. So when you first log in, you're going to have this pop up here at the top of your screen. And it says you must register in the CAD before playing. So in order to do that, you got to go to the link cad.lakesideroleplay.net. So we're going to do that right now. Open a new tab in Google, and I'm just going to go to cad.lakesideroleplay.net. From here, you're going to want to log in with your Discord, and that's going to bring you to this page, and you're just going to want to hit authorize. So when that happens, you should be logged into Sonoran, and for some reason, the community is not showing. So what you're going to want to do in that case, if it does not show up, you're just going to hit join community, and our community ID is Lakeside Roleplay. Just like that, hit search. Our community will pop up right here, and you're just going to want to hit this join button. Once you do that, your community should pop up there. You're just going to want to click on that community. And as you can see, we have no permission keys, so we can't really do anything. In order to get permission keys, what you're going to want to do is first off set the API ID. In order to do that, to get this pop up off your screen, let me get back to the game here. In order to get this pop up off your screen up here, you're going to want to take this API ID right here, which is your Discord ID. So if you don't know how to get your Discord ID, I'll just show you real quick. This is my alt account. I don't even have it set up. You're just going to want to go to user settings. You're going to want to go to, what is it? You're going to want to go to advanced, and you're going to want to click developer mode. Sorry, I had a little brain fart there. I forgot how to do that. So hit developer mode, and then you're going to want to hit right click your name over here. Hit copy ID. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to CAD, hit new API ID, paste it in there like that, hit OK. As you can see, these IDs match up since it is your Discord API ID. So you're going to want to just paste that in there, hit OK. And you're going to want to come back into game. And you're going to want to type in the chat /verify CAD. And if you did it right, the pop-up should go off your screen and you're ready to go within the CAD. Now, in order to get your permission keys within the CAD, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to the Discord. When you get in the Discord, you're going to want to head over to bot commands within the community hub category. And you're just going to want to type in !link me. Once you do that, it'll say secret ID here. You're just going to want to come back to the CAD. Go back to settings where you put that API ID. And right below API ID, you will see account secret ID. So what you're going to want to do is hit copy. Once you copy that, you're going to want to paste it in there. And then you want to hit enter. Now, your Discord account has been automatically linked to SonoranCAD. Now, when you come back, you will see the civilian permission key or civilian tab within the CAD. This is all based on Discord. This is all based on Discord roles. So if you have the SAHP role, you will have the police tab. If you have the fire, if you have the SAFE role, you will get the fire and EMS tab. Just all depends on what roles you have within the Discord. So once you do that, let's get your character set up that you just made in game. So you're going to want to hit the civilian tab here. And we just created a character. My character's name is Jimmy Smith. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit new character. You're going to want to type in that character you just made. So in this case, first name Jimmy, last name Smith, just like you made it within the server. Then you'll see Jimmy Smith pop up here at the bottom. You're just going to want to click that, and now you've claimed your character within the CAD that you just made in game. After this, you're going to want to hit edit character. And as you can see, when you made the character in game, it automatically filled in this first name, last name, date of birth, your sex, and your AKA, which is your Discord API ID. Do not touch that. That is for staff purposes. But what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to come in here and configure the rest of your character. So in this case, add the age, which in this case, my character would be 19 years old. You can add a middle initial if you want. I'll add it for the sake of this video. Then you can add an occupation. I'm not going to add one right now. If you want to, you can. Add your zip code, add your residence, height, whatever you want. In this case, I'm just going to do 6'1", and then I'll do 160 pounds. Skin tone, I'll just do white. I'll do brown hair. I don't really have a character set up in game, but whatever your character looks like in game, just make sure you set up your character description in the CAD, just like how your character looks in game. And once you get that done, you can just hit create new character. So now you have your character set up in game and in the CAD, and you're ready to go. Now all you got to do is create a license so you can drive around without getting arrested. So what you want to do is you want to hit the DMV tab, click license. And you cannot touch the DMV status because we have a DMV department within the server. They got to approve your licenses, vehicle registrations, weapon licenses, etc. So in order to do that, coming soon, we're going to have a DMV Discord with all that set up, so you can just join that Discord and get all that set up. But for now, we're just going to do the status of the license, valid. We're going to be doing a driver's license for this tutorial. Expiration, just going to set a random expiration date just for the sake of this video. And then, once you got that done, you can just hit add record, and now you have a vehicle license or driver's license. So now there's one last thing I gotta show you in game, and this is how to register a vehicle while you're in game. You can register a vehicle without going to the CAD, which is really cool. So I'm gonna spawn in a vehicle. I'm just gonna spawn in this 22 Ram TRX. Once you're in a vehicle, keep in mind to do the vehicle registration script in game, you need to be inside of a vehicle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do T. When I'm inside of a vehicle, I'm going to get in the chat and put /D/DMV. Then this screen's going to pop up for you. It's going to pop up your name that you have in the CAD and in game. And what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to hit register current vehicle. Now your vehicle will be registered within the CAD. You can close out of that tab. If you come back to the CAD here, hit refresh. You should see you have that license you made and the vehicle registration you just made inside the game. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to configure the vehicle registration, because it only autofills partial, only autofills some key components within the vehicle information. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to configure the vehicle, configure it to the vehicle's description. So in this case, I'm driving a TRX, so I would put truck as vehicle type, keep the license plate the same, and the model, I'm going to put Ram, or I'm going to put TRX. Make will be Ram. Keep the color the same, and then I'm going to do 2022 since it's 2022. Status, you can put valid. As we said before, DMV's got to approve everything, and I'm just going to set a random expiration date for the sake of this video. Then you're just going to hit save record. So now you have a vehicle registration, you have a driver's license, and you're ready to go within Lakeside Roleplay. After that's all done, that is pretty much it CAD wise. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to go to the support tab within our Discord, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Well, that'll do it for the sake of this video. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, go to the support tab, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Alrighty guys, we'll see ya. Have a good one.